We'll see how Malik and Imran, they defend this total 56 runs.
Successfully.
Yeah, and the ball is swinging as well. I think he's not concentrating on spin. He's trying to swing the ball away. But that delivery wasn't a nice delivery from him. Stuart Binny punished Shoaib Malik through the point region.
On the leg side and has been smacked. We'll have to wait for the umpire's call to understand if that was a boundary or a six. But that shot was absolutely authoritative from Irfan Pathan.
As I mentioned, he's very strong on the leg side. So
not just win this game, but to make the qualification for the semi-finals. Up in the air. He's not hit it right. It's gone vertically very, very high, and Shoaib Malik will collect that. And that'll be the first dismissal for India. Stuart Binny is out. And from 12, India slipped down to 4 for 1.
Yeah, wonderful delivery from Shoaib Malik. He's reading what exactly Stuart Binny is playing, and a little seaming to both of batsmen.
Towards the square leg, and backward square leg will come into play and take that catch. 2 wickets in 2 balls. And that is really, really bad for India and Indian fans. Mind you, if India lose this game, they're out of the competition. UAE and Pakistan will qualify. But if India were to look to win 48, leading edge in the air and taken. Oh my God, they're tumbling down like a pack of cards, the Indian batters. The Pakistani bowlers, they have a plan and they're sticking to it.
Yeah, at the moment, Pakistan is on, leading this game, controlling this game. And the great fielder, Shoaib Malik, took this catch easily. Very safe pair of hands.
Minus 10 on board. They don't really have a lot of balls to go through.
Unbelievable. What was that delivery? Where that bounce came from. 1.4 over gone. India struggling massively. Minus 10 for 3.
In the air, and should that be taken or dropped? Just be a single. This is becoming more and more difficult for India from here on. Pakistan absolutely on the driver's seat.
Yes, they are on the driver's seat. I think if you want to win the game, you shouldn't be losing wickets. It's a fabulous shot from Stuart Binny right into the second stand. A wonderful pull shot from Stuart Binny.
Well, incredible shot there. Stuart Binny staying on the back foot. And I reckon he should just play to his strengths, and this is what it is. There's no need to try anything different. Down the leg side. Was there a catch? Was there a chance? But this one will scoot towards the boundary. We'll have to get clarity from the umpire whether he's called it a wide, a leg by, or off the...
Absolutely best in the business. That's going to be in the air. Looks like that might just get the big hit that they were looking for. A maximum from the batter Stuart Binny. Takes the scoreboard to 8. 57 to win. And Malik, he's been exceptional with the ball in hand.
With the bat as well, now doing wonders with the ball, but this time, what a connection. A much needed maximum from the blade of Stuart Binny of Team India, under 105.
Oh, he's wrapped him up around the stumps. There's the middle wicket. The timber has been tasted. Again, Team India is 0 for the loss of 4. This is not a hockey match, but this is World Cricket Festival, the F2 Double Wicket World Cup, and India is under tremendous pressure.
Oh my Malik. Made room and he strikes. And the keeper's focus and determination in the eyes of both the players.
Irfan says enough is enough, goes for the big heave and gets the maximum. Plenty of bat on it. But he'll have to keep continuing with those big hits, not lose wickets from here. It's a matter of losing 6 wickets in total.
A rare maximum from the blade of Irfan Pathan in this game. Champion side, Shoaib Malik and Imran Nazir. Modest total. They are defending the total in style, but this time he swings it hard towards leg side. Back-to-back maximum. Another much-needed maximum from the blade of Pathan.
It's a ray of hope for India. Done 12 for the loss of 4. You can see the focus on both these players. Banged in shot in the reach. And easy pickings for Irfan, who loves playing towards the leg.
Pakistan.
Goes for the big heave, and he's played that beautifully. That will get him another 6. 3 back-to-back sixes, a hat-trick of sixes from Irfan. Yes, the idea was to bowl it outside off, but he's read that line quite well.
A pure magic. Pathan power on display here. What a shot, what a strike. The super sub, Ahmed, with the ball. Banged in, and look at that. It travelled like a bullet. Couple of bounces, 4 runs, a good start to the over. Now forget about that semi-final qualification. Now they are looking for that 57. They want to win this encounter against Pakistan.
And that boundary was needed.
Still 34 needed. He swings, he connects, he gets a maximum. That 34 comes down to 28.
That was a brilliant hit. That has gone towards the 4th tier. He's hitting them quite well. Way too overpitched. And Irfan says thank you very much as he puts it away for a biggie.
20 of runs needed. He needs to get rid of Irfan. Connection, another maximum towards square leg region. Still in the hunt, Team India.
You know, when he hits it quite well. He moves on to 35. The Team India score is 35. Banged in shot, and as he pulls it away, this was quite brilliantly connected from the middle of the willow.
Good comeback. A bit fuller. A single. 36. 20 to tie that edge against Pakistan. Waqas Ahmed. Can he be the hero for Pakistan? Oh, he drops. A big moment in this contest. Bini was put down. Just a single. Unlucky is Waqas Ahmed.
Yeah, not only has he put down that catch, it was also a chance for -8 on the scoreboard. That was a sitter being put down. It's the pressure of the big game. Well, the Butley.
20 of last 3. He needs to find a boundary. Irfan on strike. He connects. Not a proper connection. A good comeback by Waqas Ahmed. Now that 19 looks distant from here onwards for Team India.
The digital host, Ms. Shruti, thank you very much.
I think it's the end of Team India in this game. What a comeback. Champion stuff from Waqas Ahmed, and they know they have got better of Team India. They came in numbers to support Team Pakistan. The experience of Waqas Ahmed was trusted by Shoaib Malik. Responding to the call of captain is Waqas Ahmed. The fireball. 12 for Team India. But what matters is a win for Team Pakistan. Under night sky, under immense pressure, they have delivered a regal performance. The crowd erupts. The celebrations begin. And well defended. A modest total of 56 by Team Pakistan.
Well, exceptional from the Pakistani side. They bowled really well. Defending 56 was always a very big task, but they've done that quite well. A good fight from India, but not enough. Losing wickets has costed them, resulting in Pakistan winning the score.